Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and I'm about to pick the winner of this awesome April giveaway. So if you haven't noticed already, I have a lot of really big giveaways on this channel, and this one's been up for a really long time. So just to refresh your memory, I've got the video paused here where you can see all of this different kinds of stuff that we had in this particular giveaway. So I had thrown in a whole bunch of things that gave a nod to autism acceptance, because April is Autism Acceptance Month, and the whole theme was centered around autism, but I also threw in some really great stuff. We've got some puzzle pieces. We've got an actual puzzle, not just puzzle pieces. We've got some puzzle. We've got this hobie, this beautiful yarn. We've got this wool yarn from NicheCraft. We've got shawl and a ball. We also have 3 skeins of the Sunny in the Red Heart Ombre, and all sorts of gadgets, coloring books, patches, all sorts of things. Everything that a crocheter could want, including fuzzy socks, even though we're in the warmer months. So I guess you guys probably just want me to get on over to the YouTube random comment picker so that we can figure out who's going to win. So the YouTube video URL has been pasted, okay? We are going to filter duplicate users, and we are going to filter comments based on a specific text, and that text is yarn. I told you guys at the very end that if you wanted to enter, make sure to comment back with the word yarn, because that's how I was going to pick the winner. So I have got everything taken care of here, as you can see, and I am going to now get the YouTube comments by clicking here. Okay, so we're going to find out how many people entered. Okay, 173 people entered my awesome April giveaway. Was one of them you? Alright, I'm so excited. Okay, so start raffle and pick random winner. Now, I just gotta say, this is a YouTube random comment picker, okay? I have no control over who wins, okay? But we only have 175 people, or 173 to be exact, so you've got a pretty good chance. Let's see who's gonna win. We're gonna pick the winner in 3, 2, 1. Start. The winner is Sand Ray. Thank you so much for highlighting Autism Awareness Month. My twins are high-functioning autistic, and we have been trying to promote awareness now for 19 years. The yarn is gorgeous, and the goodies are great. Oh my goodness. Twins? I don't even want to imagine that. Well, Sand, the goodies are great, and so is this, because you have won. And here's what I need for you to do. I need for you to send me an email at my email address. It is in the description box below, and I will also leave a comment with my email address in that as well, okay? Just in case you want to hear the email address, it's nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com. But go ahead and double check so that you get the spelling right and all of that kind of good stuff. I'll need for you to email me a address where I can send all of these goodies to you, and I need you to email me in the next 10 days. All right? Thank you so much for entering my contest. So glad that you won. Anybody who is disappointed for not winning, don't worry. I have got many giveaways coming up for you guys, and all you have to do is just keep entering, and hopefully we'll get you, okay? Alright, so everybody congratulate Sand. Congratulations, Sand, for winning, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.